Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial brought to you by Hdesigntutorials.com. In this tutorial, we will learn how to resize the layer in Photoshop. First, select the Move tool. Then make sure Show Transform Controls is enabled and Auto Select is also enabled. We can select a layer by a simple click on the image. Or we can go to Layers panel and select the layer. Once the layer is selected, you will see transform controls around it. Simply click Hold and drag any control point to resize the layer proportionally from one direction to another. You can tap ESC on the keyboard to cancel the resizing. To apply the changes, click on Commit Transform button or simply tap Enter key on the keyboard. Tap Ctrl+Z on the keyboard to undo. To resize the layer to the center anchor point, hold Alt key on the keyboard, then drag any control point. To stretch the layer freely in any direction, hold Shift key, then drag any corner controller. To stretch the layer from only one direction to another, hold Shift key and drag any edge control point. To stretch the layer in all directions to the center anchor point, hold Alt plus Shift keys and then drag any corner control point. To stretch the layer from only one direction to the center anchor point, hold Alt plus Shift keys, then drag any edge control point. The same thing applies to any object or subject's layer. Finally, when resizing real-life photos, it's always a good practice to hold Alt key on the keyboard before dragging transform controls to prevent stretching the image incorrectly. That's it. Now you are a big master in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.